At Saludo, you can easily and quickly acquire new freight orders without having to make lengthy phone calls and deal with time-consuming paperwork. After logging in, you always land directly on the Saludo marketplace. Here you can see all current transport requests from shippers. With the help of the extensive filtering options, you can easily turn the Saludo platform into your very own personal freight platform, which only displays the requests that are relevant to you. For example, filter for specific requests by setting the cargo weight or loading meters as you wish. Furthermore, you can filter by several postcodes or the country, specify a desired pickup date or search for an exact ID. The ID is a unique order number that is stored in the system. You can also have us notify you automatically when new requests with your desired relations are available. To do this, click on Create Search Alert. We explain exactly how this works in the Create Search Alerts tutorial. If you have found an interesting transport request, you can view more information about the request by clicking in the respective field. If the request meets your expectations, simply create an offer. We will show you exactly how this works in the Create Offer tutorial.